Hello everybody, welcome back to Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily increase or decrease the intensity of Colorblind mode on your Dead by Daylight. So first, what we want to do is we want to go over to options, and here in those options we're going to go into accessibility. Now in the accessibility settings, we will need to scroll all the way down to the Colorblind mode. And right here we can choose one. Then after, let's say I'll choose the Protonopia. Here, as you guys can see, we'll be able to change the intensity. Now I'm lowering it, and you guys can definitely notice the difference over time. And now I can just hold to increase the value faster. And as you guys can see, there's definitely a difference. So that's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.